Hello Internet friends, it's day number 4 of my 20 days of Chief Architect X15. I'm Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions, and today's feature is door size controls. Let's get started with our favorite software. Yes, we can now make door sizes, the actual panel, different from the frame size. Kind of like a saloon type of door. Let's make this like a bifold, so double door, and it swings both directions already. So there you go, kind of like a butler's pantry or saloon type of door. And I just want to show you the settings on how to change this. Let's open this up, and this door beside it here. First of all, I'm going to make it a double door. Let's go into the style and let's make it a louvered door. I'm going to take the hardware off, interior and exterior. And then we go to, it's right here in my front of my face. And then we go to panel size, right here on the general tab of the interior doors of the door specification. And I'm going to uncheck the automatic. So I'll change that to say like 60. Okay, now that makes it 60 inches tall, but it's still from the bottom of the door. So we're going to uncheck from floor finish, or we can leave that on, and let's say 12 there. Let's say this goes down to 54. And lastly, I'm going to make this swing in both directions. And by clicking the open door tool right here, you can see that it swings out. It's a very small, if you will, addition, but this is a really fantastic addition. I'm going to make that swing angle, say 45 degrees. And so you can kind of see how we have a lot better control over the size of the door panels. Of course, the width of it is controlled by the frame of the door itself, but the height is got unique control versus the door jamb itself. Thanks so much for following along with these X15 videos. I've enjoyed making them. I hope you do too. Click like and subscribe down there. Leave a comment. What's your favorite improvement in the software? Have a great day. Take care.